This video is for a LiftMaster 885 garage door control panel. If your control panel is intermittent, especially in cold temps, you'll likely need to change the battery. Start by flipping up the front cover and find the Phillips screw. There's another hidden mounting screw that the panel is mounted on in the back, and to remove it from the wall, you're going to have to slide the control panel up and then pull out toward you. Then you can flip the control panel over, where you will find two screws that attach to the control panel. Remove these two screws and put them somewhere safe where you'll be able to find them later. You'll then need to unhook the circuit board from the plastic base, which in my opinion is the hardest part. Notice that simply pulling the circuit board toward you won't be enough to free it, since it's a pretty tight friction fit. To remove the circuit board, you'll need to pull the circuit board toward you while also flexing the plastic. If done correctly, the circuit board should pop out pretty easily. If you can't get it, have someone else use both hands to flex the plastic as you pull the circuit board out. You should now see the button battery on the back of the circuit board, typically a 2032 lithium battery. Observe the direction of the battery before removing or take a picture. This ensures you replace it correctly. Make sure that the battery is fully seated and then press the circuit board back into the plastic housing, gently pressing until you hear or feel it snapping into place. You might need to flex the plastic sides again to get it to seat. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more weekly home updates coming your way. Then tighten the two rear screws and remount the control panel onto the wall by hooking it back into the mounting screw and sliding it back into place. Don't forget to reinstall the final screw under the flip-up cover.